wasp nest.
Huh? I'm just going to brush my teeth.
Tell me, we have wasp nest.
Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday. It's already 10:50. So, ngayon ay, ano nila, resurrection. Jesus resurrection yung ano nila. Holiday. Today is holiday. Yun yung ano nila. Ano ba yun? Yung paniniwala nila. Yes. So, nag-crack kami kanina ng eggs. Agan pala yun. Kaya pala sila may egg, ano ba yun? Yung may pinto. Nagpipintura sila ng egg para mag-crack kapag Jesus resurrection. Mag-brush lang ako kasi kumain ako ng sibuyas. Tumatawag yung kapatid ko. Brush lang me. Wait lang. What are you doing? I'm going to cut my nails. Are we allowed?
No, don't we?
Huh?
Cut yesterday, my.
How about now? Hey.
Oh.
Minom kami ng beer.
Kailan ikaw?
Pwedeng ibenta yun. Hindi naman niya inano. Tapon ko, ha? I will throw them away. You did that, ano?
Sure.
What are we going to do today?
Relax, Virama.
Yes.
We relax.
So, today is Sunday. We're going to relax.
No, because it's Easter. It's an Easter day.
Yes. Easter Sunday.
No, it's Sunday. It's the resurrection of our Lord Jesus.
Di ba sa atin
Orthodox.
April, sa kanila May?
At our Orthodox Church, I message
Yes.
people with Jesus
So,
resurrection.
isn't it, there's Catholic here, so their Easter holiday is also April, or all Romanian is May?
Wait, we have Romania is Christian country.
Yeah,
First,
but
and
what I'm
Orthodox is the dominant. So mostly, almost 90% or 86% celebrate Easter right now. They were
Even
also
Catholic?
Romanian, no, just for Orthodox now. But Catholic Church also
they're ahead.
they had ahead. They also Christian Catholic celebrated here in Romania. It's permitted, of course, to celebrate the Easter here.
Gets ko na.
So they also celebrate then Catholic, and now they also benefit also Catholic of 3 days because of the Easter, Romanian Easter.
Da?
But they celebrated earlier when it was in Philippines. Somebody's
Oh!
I've cut that part.
What? Ano? Alauna na guys, kararating lang ng father-in-law galing sa church. So, binigyan niya kami kanina ng tinapay at saka yung wine, literal na wine talaga. Wine talaga, literal na na grapes wine, no?
Da.
Strong, napaka-strong. Strong. So, magta-transfer lang ako ng video. Tignan nyo naman siya, guys. Oh. Don't pretend that you're sleeping. Ano kasi ngayon, guys, holiday, so bawal, paniniwala niya, bawal magtrabaho, kaya ganyan. Isn't it?
Free day.
Yeah, it's free day daw, kaya he's just only there. No?
Free day plus it's a big holiday.
Yes, because today is Jesus resurrection.
Resurrection, yes.
Yeah, so kapag ganitong holiday, guys, free day talaga, hindi ka talaga magtatrabaho, no? But your parents doing some work.
What?
You said no work today.
I mean, don't wash, clean, something like this.
Yan yung paniniwala niya. I-respect naman natin yung ganung paniniwala. Tsaka gustong-gusto din natin, no? Yung wag mo nang mag-work today. Work. No?
Da.
So, ganyan lang siya. Okay. You enjoy your rest day because on the next Wednesday, this coming Wednesday pala.
Da, Tuesday I'm going to work.
Tuesday?
Da.
I thought tomorrow and Tuesday.
No, just tomorrow.
Just tomorrow.
And on Tuesday,
Resume. Okay. So, mali ako yung sinabi kong
People are
hanggang
coming.
Tuesday.
People will
Ano
come
pala, Tuesday is resume work na.
da. Even though it's third day of Easter, but
Okay. Katatapos lang namin kumain, guys. No? Andito siya. Alas 2 na ng hapon. Katatapos lang namin kumain.
you're
So,
hungry. You're hungry.
No. Today is holiday, so
Da.
even in atrium, it's closed.
Everywhere, Dominic, everywhere today.
So walang
Everywhere
open na
is
mall
closed.
or convenience store because
They are closed.
so tomorrow,
Just tomorrow, love. Yes.
just tomorrow.
Tomorrow they are open, but also with reduced program.
Hmm.
I want to play Star Wars because I want to finish. This.
Ganito pag main holiday.
Yeah, it's one of the
National holiday.
Mostly everyone should.
Pero dito kapag yung pagkabuhay ni Jesucristo ay andito lang sila sa loob ng bahay. No? You're just inside. You're allowed to go outside but you prefer to stay at home.
Why mostly people stay home during these holidays.
But we can go outside.
Of course we can go now. It's not a restriction. Not
Yeah, but
Sunday.
I mean like go party.
The party these days home. People are celebrating home, love.
Ganun nga dito.
People these days
Mas prefer nila yung nag-stay sa bahay nila. Ngayong May yung di ba sa atin April, sa kanila May kasi Orthodox.
is the Orthodox Church.
Orthodox Orthodox belief.
Orthodox Church has Easter right now.
Ngayong
Catholic
May,
had earlier.
sa Catholic naman, 'di ba April kapag ka-Catholic. Sa Orthodox Church religion naman May yung nila Easter holiday.
Yeah,
Inaantay namin yung pusa dito.
it's different.
Tinatawag namin yung pusa kanina pa. Kanina pa. Wala pa, hindi pa dumating.
Cat?
Yes.
I don't know where is the cat. I'm searching her.
So, hi guys. So, nagpre-prepare kami since today is Sunday.
ci vuole 50.
Don't worry.
Mate, farà solo.
Today is Sunday, guys. Kanina pa kami dito sa loob.
Shucks, I need to wear.
Lalabas ulit kami, maglakad-lakad lang para hindi naman
No, I wait to wear.
para hindi dito lang sa loob.
I need to wear
Kasi boring. Boring dito sa loob, so anong kakainin natin later? Yes. What are we going to eat later?
I don't know, love. We're gonna see.
Yes, so kasi kanina kumain kami ng chicken. Baka later chicken again. Char.
Ciao.
Joke.
No, I don't know that. I bread, butter, something much simpler. Oh my god, this sauce I know
Tea.
that are very. Do you have battery?
Huh?
Do you have battery?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm going to use this na. Hi, so gagamitin ko to yung 'di ba bumili kami nung nakaraan ng mga ipit. Ngayon ko lang siya gagamitin.
Now I have to charge it because I don't have battery.
So you don't have battery?
Ciao. I have but I consume a lot. With that one, till I'm
Why don't you bring the power bank?
Nah, I have to carry something with me.
Bring the power bank. Kasi guys, wala siyang battery. Tapos nag-aya ako na lumabas.
I'm gonna be back then.
Bine. Diyan lang naman, dun sa park na pinupuntahan namin dati, dun lang naman kami pupunta. Hindi naman kami makapunta dun sa, sa city kasi walang nakabukas na mall since holiday today, national holiday nila. Kaya dyan lang kami sa, parang kahapon lang, yung naglakad-lakad. What are you doing na? I thought we're going na.
We go, you want? Let's go.
Why, you don't like?
But no, I don't care. Let's collect some things and we go.
Ay,
Let's
nako.
go.
Inuna mo pa talaga yung paglalaro mo? Kasi yan guys, naglalaro yan ng Star Wars, kaya ganyan.
This is my last Galactic Legend. Look.
Stop playing na. Come here na.
Let's go.
Pumayat na to guys, kasi hindi na kumakain ng madami.
Now, let's go.
Let's go. Ito na guys. Why we are quick?
Huh?
Para kami nagmamadali lagi pag naglalakad.
Look at the
No, it's, oh my gosh, look naman dyan. Oh, yung cherries nila. Baka pwedeng,
tree. Nice, so nice.
ganyan na rin yung yung cherry dun sa garden nila. Okay, okay. Sabi ko kung
We're gonna
pwedeng
have it,
mamita. Sabi niya baka may camera daw sila.
But before, when I was a kid, I ate for me.
Ba?
Maybe camera.
Just taste one piece. Hindi, joke lang yun. Ano nga yung sinasabi ko kanina?
This man has big dogs.
Hindi. Para, sabi ko yung parang nagmamadali kami lagi. Kasi ang bilis-bilis niya maglakad. Ano lang naman, pupunta lang kami sa park nila ulit.
They have big dogs.
Naririnig niyo yun? Madaming mga aso dito.
Both here.
Yes. Nakakagulat minsan. lang kami. Iikutin lang namin to. Ayan guys, yung ano nila, bagong church under construction pa lang.
Also kids to Tuesday done with the
Ang ganda yung bulaklak na yan, no,
Blood rose.
guys. Blood rose?
yes.
Over there, inside is the red rose. That is the pink one. Dito na kami, guys. Ano kasi lumilindol. Ano siya? Thunder and lighting. May kulog at saka kidlat. So, ayaw ko naman mag-stay doon. Tingnan natin yung manok. Oh, ay since alas 8 na. So, andun na sila natutulog. Maxie! Da Maxie! Go, go, go! Da! Maxie! So, kailangan kong i-close na kasi kumukulog at kumikidlat. Oh, shucks. Nasira ko ata. Hindi. So, kailangan lang natin i-close. Kahit kaunti lang. Ganyan lang. Good evening, guys. 11:20 na ng gabi. So, ayun. Nanonood kami ng Shop for the Killers. Ano?
Yeah.
Guns for the Killer?
No, stop.
Shop for the Guns? What? Shopping Guns? Shop for the Killers.
No.
Ito yung inayakan ko dati. Yung ninuulit ko na naman. Kumain siya ng parang chiquito. Mamaya matutulog. No?
Sleep?
No. You watch.
약한 놈들이 짓는 거야. 강하면 짓지 않아. 강해져야 해.
Nasimulan ko lang kasi to. Tapos, ko,
상대방이 짓게 만들어.
hindi ko natapos kasi hindi pa, pa lang nun, ginagawa pa lang. Ngayon, okay na. So, kasama ko na siya manood.
무서웠어.
Say bye-bye na.
눈을 크게 뜨고.
Siguro hanggang dito na lang, guys. So, see you again on next vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video.
Bye-bye.
And comment down below. Bye. Ciao.
Bye-bye.
Ciao, ciao, ciao.